Hero Moto. eBay. Amazon, eBay. So, oh. Well, there's actually, it comes with the AGV box in the big box. That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Some padding guns was just laying on the bottom there. Okay, just like this. No helmet can protect the user from all forcible impacts. Well, of course, comes with a case. Let's see what's in the box.
Mm-hmm. No.
I like the case. It's really nice and smooth.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is in the sticker as well, and all the stuff. There's paddings all over the box. That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
They really take care of that. Just extra safety. Did I get out of the case while shipped?
The bag.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, this goes like this as well.
Come on.
To carry it.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. There's one more. That's really a spec good. The collar is just beautiful. You can see. You got a little sneak peek. Okay. This one's silky smooth as well.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow. Isn't this beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
AGV K1 soleluna 2015 Valentino Rossi. I'm actually really surprised how good the fluorescent yellow green is. Yes, it's just beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Now this pad moves a little bit actually.
This is for ventilation.
Actually the air and for looks as well. Okay. You can turn it off right now.